So accessing or even editing all of your files off of an iPad or from a mobile phone is very easy. You're going to need the OneDrive app, and if you plan to edit any of these files on your iPad or iPhone, you're going to need to have the associated app, the Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, etc., installed as well. So in OneDrive, you're typically going to see all of your files, but go over to Sites and then find your staff room group, and in there you'll see documents. So right in OneDrive, and from there you can select it. It will show a preview of that file. You can preview it, no problem. If you want to edit it, check out the little app icon there. You're going to need that installed to be able to do the editing. Okay, so let's check it out on an iPhone. Basically the exact same thing. Open up the OneDrive app, and then instead of your regular files, you're going to go over to Sites, and then in your Sites you'll just find your staff room group or your admin share. Open up Documents, and basically they're all there. Again, easy way to get a preview of those files, but if you want to edit that file, you're going to need to install the associated app. So very easy to do, not hard at all. You see the little Word icon up there. So accessing and editing your files is very easy. Note also that there are other options here with your files, such as there are some right next to your file, you have the option. There's three dots you see. So you have options to share and rename and open in another app, edit, etc. You can do basically anything you can do on a PC, you can do on your iPad. So a great option for accessing all your staff share files. You never could ever access your staff share files before, and now you can. So that's great news. Access them from any mobile device, but download the associated apps.